आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So the question is, to determine the mean number of children per household in a community, Tabitha surveyed 20 families at a playground. For the 20 families surveyed, the mean number of children per household was 2.4. Now which of the following statement must be true? Okay. Now guys, here Tabitha surveyed 20 families at a playground. Now in a community, particular families which are in a playground can tend to have more children or less children. So in a particular community, if you take say we are taking survey from a particular region or places, then the survey is tending to be biased. Okay, if suppose Tabitha would have surveyed 20 families from randomly taking families in a whole community, then it would have been unbiased. But here Tabitha is taking 20 families at a playground, at a specific region from a community. So it can happen that the particular families from a playground are tending to have more children or less children. So our data or Tabitha's data can tend to be biased. So this is not a correct form of surveying. So now let us check the options. Now the first option is mean number of children per household in the community is 2.4. Now if the survey is biased, then the first option cannot be true. Now let's move on to the second option. A determination about the mean number of children per household in the community should not be made because the sample size is too small. Now guys, here we are talking about the sample size. Guys, when we are taking a survey, the sample size will not matter if we are taking the samples from a completely random point. Suppose Tabitha would have taken the 20 families from a completely random community, or taken from the whole community at some any random families, then it would have been a perfect survey. Then it would have been unbiased. So the sample size will not matter here. So option 2 will be also wrong. Now the moving on to the third option, it says the sampling method is flawed and may produce a biased estimate of the number of children per household in the community. So third option will be your answer. Now let me also check the fourth option. The sampling method is unbiased and likely to produce an unbiased estimate. So here from the first line also we can be sure that the fourth option will not be your answer, because it is saying the estimate is, or the sampling method is unbiased. But here, as I mentioned earlier, Tabitha used 20 families at a playground. Since she is taking survey from a particular region, so her survey is tending to be biased. Okay, so option C, or the sampling method is flawed, will be our answer. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Thank you very much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।